afternoon, MyBlindCo users. I'm excited to tell you about a new and improved contact page that's going to be rolling out early next week. So let me show you here. So I'm going to just grab myself and my demo company. Boom. See how fast it loaded? The prior version, that appointment history, really took a long time to load this page, but it's a condensed version of your contact. So we had a lot of real estate prior to this update for editing address and build to and such. So we really chopped that down and in focusing on appointment history. So there's a couple things I want to point out. To the right under is a little summary view, which I kind of like, right? You can see the last appointment time and day for that customer, your last quoted, the status of that quote, same with orders. So I think this is a really nice little snapshot. And then one of the big reasons why we also revamped appointment history was, we'd get feedback with what happened to my appointment? I don't see my appointment. But here you can also see the transparency. Like, for example, if another teammate moved an appointment, you'll be able to see when that appointment was updated and by who. So it adds a lot of transparency there. If someone calls in and actually ends up deleting an appointment, you can see when that appointment was deleted. So that's a nice new feature. This hyperlink will actually take you to that appointment day, so you can see what else is going on that day. And then just hit the back button, takes you back to the contact page. So as a reminder, contact page is a great place to see all of your appointment history. You can come and see quotes, orders, purchase orders, repairs, and you can also add documents, pics, videos to the contact tab. So great new update there. In addition, to track appointment history, you had to go to the calendar from this view, add an appointment for that appointment history to show up in the contact's notes. Now we've revised it where, while in the contact tab, after you have that contact added, you can come up here, create an appointment, and then this will also show appointment history and notes. So that's a nice update. You don't have to always remember to go through the contact page, the calendar page to track that appointment history. All right, guys, that's it. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Just a reminder, we have training every Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern. Thanks so much.